Hello everybody, today we're going to be replacing an engine air filter on 2023 GMC Yukon XL Denali. This is a Duramax diesel engine and we're going to be replacing it with a ACDelco filter. There's a part number right here and I got it off Amazon. And so here we have a air filter box, and then I have an 8mm bolt attached to the screwdriver. So we just need to remove 3 bolts, one here, and one right there. So we got the 3 bolts removed. There's the 3 bolts. And now what we're gonna do is just push this box out, and then we can raise it up. So here's the box, and we can take the old filter out. So it looks pretty, it's not bad for 120,000 miles. This is the first time this filter is getting replaced. So let's drop in a new filter. So I'm gonna take a new filter. We're gonna insert it in the box. And make sure you vacuum inside of the box as well before you insert a new one. And then what we're gonna do is push this wire loom to the side, and then lower this cover. And then make sure the wire loom is out of the way in the back. And then it allows the box to drop into its position. And we're just basically reinsert the 3 bolts. One. And we have one more. It's right here behind this wire loom. And this is it. This is the replacement of an engine air filter on a 23 GMC Yukon XL Denali. It also applies to year 21, 22, 23, and 24. Thank you all and have a good day.